Are you ready for our family vacation?
We're leaving our house.
Where are we gonna go?
Disneyland. But last time we went to Genji World.
Yeah.
But I was just acting crazy.
Say see you at the airport.
See you at the airport and good day at your Genji trip.
Bye.
Bye.
Grand California, home of the Golden State Warriors.
Braylee is
Do us a favor and remain in that original seat. Allow all of our local passengers to be plain.
Oh, the fool. What did you say?
we just got a rental car. Now we're gonna check into our hotel and drop our bags off and then go to LA.
Okay. Check if it's all day. Everyone, what? Sheila walks away.
Walking in. We're at Whitewater Snacks.
There's only curious.
Oh, I don't know. It looks like extra stuff.
Braylee, look. Braylee, you're at the Hollywood sign. Okay, we just checked into the Grand Californian. We have a 2-bedroom suite. This is a little living area. There's a big couch, a little chair. Then there's a sink, a fridge, a Keurig, some coffee. Then we have the first bathroom, just a regular shower. Double sink, huge mirror. It's really big in this bathroom. Footstool. And then this is the first bedroom. It's 2 queen beds, giant TV. And then our view is somewhat of a park view. You can see the Grizzly River Rapids, I think it's called, down there. And that over there is California Adventure. And then also from this room, you can go out to the balcony. There is a table, 4 chairs, then pretty much same view right there. And then you can also see the monorail right there. Then the second room is where my brothers are staying. Giant TV. 2 more queen beds.
No, I'm good.
A sleepy boy. And then they have a balcony as well, and that's more of the monorail view. Okay, so we're all settled into the room. It is beautiful. I love it. We spent the day just kind of driving around LA. We were so tired. We didn't eat all day, and we ended up eating at the Cheesecake Factory right next to our hotel. We didn't do much in LA. We drove to the Griffith Observatory, and we took a few pictures in front of the Hollywood sign, and we drove to the little Hollywood star thing, and we were gonna get out, and then we just decided not to. It didn't really look like something we would be interested in. So yeah, we spent the whole day pretty much just driving around, and we are so excited for tomorrow. We will be going to Galaxy's Edge bright and early in the morning. For the rest of the night, we might just hang out here, or we might go to downtown Disney. So I'll take y'all along and see what we do. Also, right now I'm just sitting here people watching.